Welcome to Boundless Adventures Behind Bars. I'm trying out the new Insta360 X5. Here I have it mounted off to the side on a selfie stick, kind of like a drone running alongside you. Just trying different perspectives, different angles. Kind of interesting with the 360, you have so many options to capture different views. Added some text along the way just to play around. Here I'm going to switch over. Now I have it mounted on this handlebars and trying different angles from the 360, just playing around. Hopefully it gives you new perspectives, new angles. Look forward to using this more often in the future. Thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe.